Good morning, viewers. Today I'm proud to present this 2006 Volvo XC90, and this is going to be full in-depth tour of the XC90. We'll start up, show the engine, go on some performance details, show you a bunch of the interesting features inside and out. And so, here's the key, flip the key, let's start the engine, put it on for a while, lock. This car has black metallic exterior. With two-tone leather interior. Beautiful. This car has 2.5 liter turbocharged engine. It produces 210 horsepower. Also, this car has wide range of diesel as well as the petrol engines. This car comes equipped with the 6-speed automatic transmission, silky smooth. Beautiful. Full leather wrap, full spoke design wheel, multifunctional. Comes equipped with hydraulic assist power steering, rocking pinion, manual tilt and telescope. To adjust, use this lever right here, and you can find first position. Right now, I stand in the headlight, fog light, front and rear, and as usual, headlights. Front windows are fully automatic, both direction, up and down, one touch. Very nice. Right now let's open the hood and take a look at the engine. Foot operated brake, and to disengage. Very simple. Brightness of the instrument cluster. And right now, guys, let's take a good look at the exterior of this car. Chrome accent window frames. As you can see, back window is fully tinted. Rain guards, roof rails, and this car missing power moonroof. Huge tail lights. Rear fog light, rear parking assist, dual exhaust, rear spoiler with the brake light, rear defrosting glass, rear wiper. Six-spoke alloy wheels, 16-inch tires measuring 235/70 with 4-wheel disc brakes. Beautiful factory wheels. Main rival for this car, I believe, VW Touareg and Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. turn signal indicators, gorgeous headlamps, headlight washer system, chrome accent grille, This car has inline 5, 20 valve, 2.5 liter turbocharged engine. It produced 210 horsepower, maximum speed of 210 km per hour. 0 to 6 time is 9.5 seconds. Combined fuel consumption for this car is around 12.5 liter per 100 km. The car is 4-wheel drive. And right now, guys, we'll take a good look at the exterior. Let's take a good look at the interior portion. Two-tone door panel, fake aluminum trim right here, soft armrest, storage, bottle holder, your power mirrors, left, right, up and down. They also heated and power folding. Left, right, rest of your power windows. Central lock, power window lock. Aluminum entry card, Volvo. Driver's seat has power adjustment, standard sliding, sit high, recline, two-person memory, adjustable headrest and seat belt, as well as manual lumbar for the driver and for the passenger. Convenient handle. And right now, let's see what kind of noise this car produces. And this particular has 168,207 kilometers in it. can definitely hear a turbo whistle. Very elegant gauges. Outside temperature, digital clock, your trip computer. Something wrong with the alarm system. Service required. Distance to empty. Beautiful. Light indicator controls and here's your intimate driver control, cruise control on the steering wheel, volume. You can raise and lower the volume. Select between different track or different station. This car has 10 speakers, premium audio system with CD, little LCD display, storage, high performance sound, CD, volume, AM, FM, select between different track or different station, sound adjustment, bass, treble, fader balance, mic key, exit clear, enter, main menu, auto store, audio settings, radio text, radio settings, news, scan news, very easy to use, your dial pad, via Bluetooth you can connect your telephone, eject, CD, down here you can find dual zone fully automatic climate control, front rear defrost, heated seats, to stage for the driver, and of course for the passenger. Your temperature, very easy to adjust, very easy to use, one touch automatic, different modes. Face, knee, recycle, auto recycle settings, air conditioning, on, off, fan speed control, turn off the traction control, power folding mirrors, turn off the parking sensors. That's for the alarm. Lighter, or you can use this outlet if you don't smoke, 2-tone plastic. Build quality and all the materials are just awesome. You can find soft touch almost everywhere. Very nice. Silky smooth 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift, minus and plus for the upshift and for the downshift. Winter mode. Cup holders, leather up center console, good size storage, coin holder, auto rear view mirror, sign wires with illumination, I believe with garage home link, your map lights, very nice, microphone for hands-free. And to tell the truth, guys, those seats are extremely soft. It's like sitting on a pillow. Thigh support is more than enough. Extremely comfortable seats. And the leather feels great. But now, let's shut it down. Very smooth engine. You can barely hear it. Let's grab the key and let's enter the store. Back seats is default, adjustable headrest, partition, quite easy to get in and out, vents, solid doors, as you can see, storage pocket, your lumbar with the driver, portlet, ashtray, and 2 cup holders. Very nice. Illumination, got hook, handles are stationary. Beautiful interior. And I'm 6'3" myself. My legroom is quite nice, as you can see, and my headroom is pretty good. Trunk is huge. Quite easy. Your partlet, tools, emergency triangle, and storage right there. Your cargo cover. Nice, very nice. Your fuel cap. Central lock, power window, and you can find same power adjustment for the passenger seat, except memory. Extremely comfortable seats, it's like sitting on a couch. Lockable glove compartment, very good size, illuminated, it's also padded. Nice. Very nicely equipped car. I'm truly impressed. Way to go, Volvo. And also don't forget, this is a very safe car. And the most powerful engine for this car is V8 4.4 liter. It produces 325 horsepower. Well guys, hope you enjoy my in-depth look at this 2006 Volvo XC90. Feel free subscribe to my channel. I'm sure you catch me next time. So if I know where I came from, thanks for watching and hello guys.